Hi, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today we are going to be prepping our raised beds and getting ready to plant our vegetables. As you can see, we have lots of bags of soil that we're going to be using. So if you're interested, please keep watching. And if you stay till the end, you'll get to see some bloopers. friends, well, that's all we have for you today. Please stick around. We've got some bloopers coming up. But before, be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of this content. Definitely hit that notification bell so that you know when we post a new video. And be sure to follow us on social media. We'd love to have you join the Bradley Bunch. Until then, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye! When this thing, get the thing in. Whoa! No, sir. Oh, did you? Yeah, I just.
Ah, help, no.
Oh, boy. Come on. Silly.